How to remove oven cleaner smell. Have you cleaned your oven, but now a strong chemical smell just won't go away? Oven cleaner can work wonders for cleaning a dirty oven, but the corrosive and potent chemicals in commercial oven cleaners can leave bad and powerful smells in your oven that are released when you heat the oven. These odors can be quite unpleasant, can get into your food, and can permeate your entire house, even after opening the windows and running the fan. If you've cleaned your oven with a strong cleaner and are stuck with the smell, there are ways you can remove the smell and get your oven back to normal. But next time you go to clean your oven, you can also try DIY oven cleaning pastes that will scrub the insides clean without the powerful chemical smell.
Welcome to Best Choices.
This video will tell you how to getting rid of oven cleaner smell and cleaning an oven without oven cleaner. Method 1. Getting rid of oven cleaner smell. Number 1. Wipe the oven down with vanilla. On top of smelling like Grandma's house in the holidays, the smell of vanilla can also act as a great mask for other odors. After you've cleaned your oven, there are 2 ways you can use vanilla to make it smell more pleasant. Fill a small bowl with water and add 1 teaspoon, 6 milliliters of vanilla extract or 10 drops of vanilla essential oil. Dip the cloth into the bowl and wring out the excess water. With the damp cloth, wipe down the insides of the oven, including the walls, bottom, roof, and the racks. Dip the cloth into the water often and go over the oven a few times to spread the vanilla smell. Instead of wiping the oven down with vanilla, you can also bake vanilla to get the smell into the appliance. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius. Fill a small baking dish with an inch of water and add in 1 teaspoon, 6 milliliters of vanilla extract. Place the bowl in the oven and let it heat up for about an hour. Check on it every 15 minutes or so and add more water as needed if there's a lot of evaporation going on. Number 2. Freshen it up with lemons. Lemons are another miracle odor killer, and they'll leave your kitchen smelling summer fresh and yummy. Not only that, but citrus itself is a great cleaner, so lemons will help loosen any leftover grease and buildup in your oven as well. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius. Cut 2 lemons in half and squeeze most of the juice into a baking dish. Add an inch of water and place the lemon halves into the dish as well. When the oven is hot, place the dish on the rack and allow it to heat up for 30 minutes to an hour. Number 3. Bake fresh oranges. Another similar method to remove chemical and food smells from your oven is to bake oranges. The citrus in the orange has a similar cleaning power to lemons, and it will also make your house smell fresh and clean. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius. Peel an orange with your fingers or a knife and set the flesh aside for eating or juicing. Place the peels on a baking sheet and bake them for 30 minutes to an hour. After an hour, turn off the oven and open the oven door slightly to allow the citrus smell to escape. You can use any citrus for this, or a combination, such as lemons, limes, and grapefruits. If you don't have any citrus fruits, you can also pour 1 cup of 240 milliliters of white vinegar into an oven-safe bowl and put it in the oven for 20 minutes at the lowest temperature setting to get rid of the oven cleaner smell.
Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.
Method 2. Cleaning an oven without oven cleaner. Number 1. Make a DIY cleaning paste. You don't need a strong commercial cleaner to clean your oven and can actually make your own cleaning paste with stuff found in the kitchen and bathroom. There are several cleaning products you can make, including a mixture of coarse salt and lemon juice. Mix a half cup of 146 grams of coarse salt with a half cup of 120 milliliters of lemon juice. A simple baking soda paste. To make this, combine 1/2 cup of 110 grams of baking soda with enough water to make a paste. A baking soda soap mix. You can make this by combining 1 cup of 220 grams of baking soda with a half cup of 146 grams of coarse salt plus a 1/4 cup of 60 milliliters Castile soap. Number 2. Remove and clean the racks. To clean the racks, place a large towel down in a bathtub and place the racks on the towel. The towel will protect the tub from scratches. Cover them with hot or boiling water, then add some of your homemade cleaner or dish detergent. Allow the racks to soak for a couple of hours before scrubbing them with a non-abrasive scrubbing pad to remove grease and food. When the racks are clean, empty the tub and rinse them with clean water. Replace the towel in the tub with a dry one, then stand the racks up on the towel to dry. Number 3. Spread the paste all over the oven. Use your hand or a clean cloth to coat the inside of the oven with your cleaning paste. Rub it in as you work and make sure you get the entire surface area coated. Number 4. Let the paste sit. In order to break up grease and baked-on food, allow the paste to sit in the oven overnight or for 12 hours if possible. If you don't have that long to wait, let the paste sit for as long as possible before scrubbing. Number 5. Scrub the oven. After the paste has had time to soak in, take a sponge with a non-abrasive scrubber attached and get it wet with warm water. If you don't have this type of sponge, use a cloth and a separate scrubber. Wring out the excess water so the sponge is damp. Go over the interior of the oven with the sponge, scrubbing the areas that need extra work and wiping off the paste as you go. Rinse out the sponge often with clean water. Once you've wiped out the oven, spray it with white vinegar to activate any leftover baking soda or to get extra residue off. Then wipe it down again with the sponge and clean water. Number 6. Wipe the oven and replace the racks. When all the paste residue, grease, and vinegar are gone, wipe the oven with a clean, dry towel. Replace the racks and leave the door open to allow any excess moisture to dry.
Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.
Tips. Number 1. Always keep your kitchen well ventilated. When using a commercial oven cleaner, open all nearby windows and turn on the exhaust fan. Proper ventilation helps remove chemical fumes faster and reduces the risk of headaches, dizziness, eye irritation, and breathing discomfort. If possible, keep children and pets away from the kitchen until the smell is completely gone. Number 2. Heat the empty oven before cooking. After cleaning, don't cook food right away. Instead, run the empty oven at a low temperature, around 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 30 minutes to help burn off any remaining cleaner residue or moisture, reducing lingering odors before you prepare your next meal. Number 3. Clean your oven regularly. The longer grease and food residue sit inside the oven, the harder they become to remove. Regular cleaning, about once a month or whenever you notice spills, prevents heavy buildup and reduces the need for harsh chemical cleaners. Number 4. Choose natural cleaning ingredients whenever possible. Ingredients like baking soda, lemons, white vinegar, and vanilla are inexpensive, easy to find, and effective for routine oven cleaning without exposing your family to strong chemical fumes. Number 5. Don't forget the oven racks. Many people clean only the inside of the oven and ignore the racks. However, greasy racks can also trap odors and smoke during cooking. Soak them in hot water with dish soap or a homemade cleaning solution for a few hours, then scrub them gently with a non-abrasive sponge for the best results. Warnings. Number 1. Never mix oven cleaner with bleach or other chemicals. This is one of the most important safety rules. Mixing oven cleaner with bleach, ammonia, or other household cleaners can produce dangerous toxic gases. These fumes can seriously harm your lungs and eyes. Always use only one cleaning product at a time. Number 2. Wear protective gloves and avoid skin contact. Commercial oven cleaners contain strong chemicals that can burn or irritate your skin. Always wear rubber gloves while cleaning. If the cleaner accidentally gets on your skin, wash the area immediately with plenty of water. If it gets into your eyes, rinse thoroughly and seek medical attention if irritation continues. Number 3. Never use steel wool or metal scrubbers. Metal scrubbers can scratch the oven's interior coating, making it more difficult to clean in the future and potentially shorten the life of your appliance. Always use a soft cloth, non-scratch sponge, or nylon scrubber instead. Number 4. Let the oven cool completely before cleaning. A hot oven is dangerous. The heat can cause cleaning chemicals to evaporate quickly, increasing the amount of fumes you breathe in. There's also a higher risk of burns from touching hot surfaces. Always allow the oven to cool completely before starting any cleaning. Number 5. Never cook until all cleaner residue is gone. Even a small amount of leftover oven cleaner can release chemical fumes when heated and may affect the taste or safety of your food. After cleaning, wipe the oven several times with clean water, dry it thoroughly, and run the empty oven for 20 to 30 minutes before cooking anything.
Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.